Hey all, welcome back to Jobs Indeed YouTube channel. Do subscribe for latest job update. We have opening at Bosch organization. So the designation will be for biomedical engineers. So related for healthcare and looking for freshers, and also work location will be at Bangalore. So here they have given the company description. Mentioned as Bosch is also one of the global suppliers of technology and services as well. And going to the job description, they have given the mandatory skill set where it consists of communication skills as well as different programming languages like Python, C++, and Java, and also asking for, looking for the experience in API designs, application programming interfaces, and also complemented by the integration skills. So hands-on experience of machine learning techniques and algorithm. So experience with the common data science toolkit. So they are asking for the communication skills, programming language, machine learning techniques with algorithms, and also data science related experience. And they have also given the other skill set where it will be added value for your profile. And these skills are, so they are looking for the biosignal processing techniques, so artifact removal, filtering techniques similar to that, and hands-on experience of Linux based systems. Along with that, expertising in image classification, segmentations, and feature extractions, and linear algebra, optimization, probability, statistics with data visualization tools. So these 5 will be added value if you have the relevant experience. And the qualification they have given is, like, if you are fresher, you can also apply for this particular opening. So 0.5 to 3 years of experience, and education qualification like BTech, MTech, MS, and PhD from top institutes they are looking for, and preferably biomedical background. So freshers can also apply, and a good opportunity for the freshers who want to start their career into biomedical background related organization or else a healthcare institution. So experience in analyzing and processing the biosignals, microscope images, and research and development experience, if any, will be related to the machine learning algorithm development on biomedical signals and images. Additional information they have given, like familiarity with the healthcare projects will be preferable. Like if you have done your project into biomedical organization or healthcare related projects, those projects will be considered as the added value. And freshers could also be reporting into the healthcare engineering. And if you are interested for this particular opening, like you can click on I'm interested at the top right of the screen, of the page, and the link will be provided in the description. Do apply immediately, do not be late, and do not miss the opportunity. Apply as early as possible. Hope this video is useful for you, and kindly do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more and more job updates. Thank you for watching. The link is provided in the description.